Hi everyone, today I made an apple strudel and I'm excited to share this recipe with you. This apple strudel, I'm actually making my own pastry for that and mixing the apples with walnuts and coconut. You can use raisins or cranberries, whatever you prefer. So it's really up to you what kind of flavors you would like to add to this. Also, the pastry itself, or the dough, when I was making it, doesn't have any sugar, so it really nicely blends together when it's all done. This apple strudel tastes amazing the very same day when you bake it, but if you let it sit for 1 or 2 days, it actually tastes even better, I would say, the following day or the day after. So if you're interested in how I made this apple strudel, please continue watching, and thank you for liking this video and subscribing to my channel. So I baked the apple strudel for 50 minutes exactly, and this is how it came out. You take it out when it has a nice like golden color at the top. I hope you try this. If you do, let me know how it came out. Thank you for watching, take care, and please check some other videos on my channel Cook for the Soul.